Hey Ryan, how's it going?
Hey Steven, thanks for coming by.
Absolutely. Well, thank you. We're here doing In Good Company, and we're featuring the Outpost, which is a new addition to Midtown. And why don't you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so the Outpost is an Italian-inspired restaurant. We have pizzas, we have salads, we have amazing desserts, and we're looking just to bring the freshest and most incredible ingredients to Riverside.
Tell me a little bit about this building that we're in right now. What did it used to be?
When we got access to the building, it was an old salon, and we took about 2 years to completely gut, renovate, and upgrade the building to be what you see now, which is the Outpost.
Fantastic. Well, I mean, you can see the industrial concrete floor and everything like that, and the bare white walls, exposed beams and everything. Now we're looking at this beautiful kitchen you have set up and this giant stone oven. Tell me a little bit about this pizza oven.
Yeah, so this is a Forno Bravo Napoli 120. They are the premier pizza ovens, actually manufactured here in California. We had it shipped down here, and it was a beast trying to get it into place,
Sure.
But it is really an amazing centerpiece. We felt like there was a big gap in Riverside for more family-owned restaurants. We were just finding that stuff like that was just really missing in Riverside, and that's what we wanted to bring.
And that's kind of what I'm trying to do in Midtown, right? Is I want to bring in one-of-a-kind businesses, something you wouldn't find anywhere else, and the people who own the business live locally. And you can tell there's a sense of pride of ownership in this building. What does Midtown mean to you, or what does being in this part of Riverside mean to you?
It's really a chance to be a part of the community. It's really a chance to bring excellence and just a great culture, which is meant to be friendly, inclusive, and just a really just simple environment.
Really looking forward to try some of this food. Let's get it.
This is amazing, right? We got pepperoni pizza, got some fresh bruschetta. Look at that, you got some Parmesan cheese in there, there's fresh tomato, basil, garlic, olive oil. It looks delicious. Get a little bit of that. Wow. That's amazing. When you have bread, you gotta have it thinly sliced like this. You have the tomatoes that are chopped finely enough. That's some good tomato. Very, very fresh. Very excited to move on to this pizza here. So we got the nice thin crust, the toasted burnt edges of the bread here. You can only get this kind of blistering on the cheese here when you're dealing with a really, really high heat oven like they have. That's delicious. Looking at it here, you can tell it's real pepperoni. See the way it curls up? It shouldn't stay flat. Now we're gonna get some more food over here and let's see how it looks like. Here. Now this is the Greek goddess salad. You got the shredded cheese on top, got some tortilla strips, you got the lettuce, nice dressing, some onions. This looks delicious. I'm gonna take a quick bite here. For anyone who's looking to have a good lunch or a good dinner salad, this is a perfect side.
So fried olives is one of the most popular things on the menu, so you have to try one of
Absolutely.
these.
What kind of dressing is this?
So this is a garlic aioli.
Oh, okay.
And we have some roasted almonds on the side.
I've never had a fried olive before.
Right? They're
Yeah.
amazing.
When I was trying the food, I could really taste that the ingredients were fresh. So what do you guys do for the bread here?
Everything is made from scratch as much as
Absolutely.
possible, and we do our very best to make sure we have the highest quality ingredients and it comes through in the food.
Where do you guys get the pepperoni from, or what kind of pepperoni is it?
So the pepperonis, all from local distributors,
Okay.
as well as the cheeses.
Putting this dish together, how long did it take you to put together this menu? I'm sure it was quite a while to put all these
Yeah,
ingredients together.
it was a collaborative effort over several months.
Well, Ryan, you're absolutely good company. Thank you for showing us all your food here at the Outpost, and definitely I'm excited to come back here again.
Thanks for coming.
Man, that was some great pizza. We're right here at the Outpost on Sunnyside outside the plaza here, and really excited about this new restaurant that's come to Midtown. It is fresh Italian food with fresh ingredients, really high level experience, and I can't wait to come back here again.